G'day, my name is Greg. I'm a CNC hobbyist from Australia, and although I don't have much personal interest in the game of chess, a couple of my grandchildren are learning to play, so I thought I might have a go at making them some chess pieces on the rotary axis of my CNC. Now, I looked on YouTube for a bit of inspiration, and there's plenty of people who've made some very fine chess sets, probably well beyond my skill level, but anyway. From a 3D model site that you can download, I got these models which are designed for 3D printing, but with a little bit of alteration to a couple of pieces. I made them suitable for something that I can machine. Now, the most difficult part for me is the knight, or the horse head. And instead of using a traditional fourth axis toolpath on this, I just used my rotary axis as a indexer and machined the horse head from each side, rotating 180 degrees in between each toolpath. This is just finishing off the roughing pass, and then I start and machine one side of the horse's head using a 1.6mm ball nose bit, and then index it 180 degrees and machine the other side of the horse's head. So we spin her around and do the other side, much the same as the first side. And then for the base of the piece, I just did a more traditional rotary axis toolpath to finish off the base. Now, when I built my rotary axis, one of the smarter things that I did was I made the rotary axis to take the chucks from my wood lathe, and so I can just transfer the chuck straight from the rotary axis onto the wood lathe, and here I'm just cleaning up the base of the knight, of the horse head, the base, and then I'll part it off. This Australian Cyprus machines pretty nicely, really. I did wonder about it, but it worked out quite well. For the white pieces, obviously. And here it is. Needs a little bit of a light sanding and coat of clear, and I think it'll look pretty good. And then, of course, I had to do the black pieces. Or here's the knight in Jarrah, just doing a roughing pass, and just the same thing again, a different material. And of course, using the rotary as an indexer to do the two sides of the head, yeah, they came out okay, I thought. So then I thought, oh well, I better go ahead and make a board for it. So I used the same Australian Cyprus and Jarrah for the squares, and some other hardwood for the surround. I'm not sure exactly what it is, and it came up okay. Thanks very much for watching.